Hey, this is Chad Pornoa. Today I'm going to show you a short video on how to update your WordPress website to version 5.8. This is the new version of WordPress. I'm just going to show you a simple video. But what you need to do is you just need to log into your WordPress website, come over here to Dashboard, click on Updates, come down here. Now, for you to learn how to back up your WordPress database, click right here. And this will explain everything to you. But this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you the simple way, once you've backed up your site, how simple it is to update your WordPress website to version 5.8 or any other version of WordPress that you have. You just click Update Now. And it's that simple. Now your website is upgraded to WordPress 5.8 or whatever version you are updating to now. When I made this video, this is to version 5.8. You might be lower than that, but either way, if you're below the 5.8, this will take you right to upgrading to the newest version of 5.8, okay? And any videos beyond this, new versions and all that, is the exact same way unless WordPress changes it. So you can go in here and you can actually see all the different features that have been added to the new WordPress version 5.8. So take some time to go through here and scroll and see what the new features are, okay? Now, if you are a person that just got started with WordPress and you need to learn how to use WordPress, because you still have questions on how it works, what to do, I have put together a free learning WordPress website that is made for beginners. You can watch the video right here, and it kind of just goes, kind of just shows you, just some basics of things, what we're going to teach you in this free course. This is an e-learning course. It's 100% free. All you got to do is click right here and fill in your name. I'll show you right here. Fill in your name, your last name, your email address. You can see it's free. Check this box right here that you agree to all this. Click order, and you will be all set, and you will get sent the information so you can log in here, okay? But if you have any questions about what this program is all about, you can scroll down this page and you can read more. Like I said, you're going to get a free beginner's guide too that's going to show you everything. You're going to get 31 plus videos that's going to show you exactly how to use WordPress, okay? If you have any questions right here, you can click right here on any of these and it will answer your questions right here. You can see the videos that we will go over right here. You can see the 31 videos right here. You can see what we're going to teach you about all right here. But basically, like I said, this is 100% free. We are here to help you, and we want you to have success at building your WordPress website, and we want you to know what you're doing when you get started with WordPress. So like I said, that's why I made this updating video today for beginners, so they can learn how to update their WordPress website to the newest version of WordPress, and today the newest version was 5.8. Again, this is Chad Pornoa. Below this video, I'll have a link that you can actually click on that will take you to wplearning101.com. So click that link to get your free WordPress tutorial videos for beginners. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.